Good morning. We are eastbound, going that way about 6 hours. I'm on the back roads here, going from Midland, Texas to Houston, Texas to get a load. And yeah, we're in the boonies here. There's not much here. Back roads, I really do prefer them. Just pulled over here to water the tires. I got a little squeak. He's I don't know if you can see that. There's a little rubber thing here, and it rubs against this stainless steel. So I found the best practice is take my steel toe boots, shine up a spot there, and then also it helps pull that from squeaking. It is a Freightliner, and they're not called freight shakers for nothing. They shake all over the place and stuff rattles. And so yeah, just show you what I got. I got a full load of Mother Nature's finest product here, as you can see. I was going to tarp it, but it, the weather's not bad. It's a little cloudy, but it can take the rain. So yeah, pretty light stuff. So I got both axles up. We're just bobbing along here. Holy cow, we got a truck coming. I haven't seen traffic forever. Holy shit, we got rush hour out here. Pardon my language. Hey, look at that. It's not every day you see cactus. Not for this Alberta boy, anyway. Hey, cool. So yeah, we got, sure there's a whole bunch of creepy crawlies in there too. They're starting to talk once I walked over there. So back here we got your hydrogen, and up here kind of in the middle I got your oxygen, and then right here I'm kind of pulling our nitrogen a little bit. So yeah, just cruising along. You know what? Sometimes you gotta just let Google take you. You know, there's about 4 ways I can go from Midland to Houston. And you know what? If Keegan Evans told me anything or taught me anything, and Jennifer Haddo Clarkson and Debbie Page and Solange Page and Brian Page and Muggs Clarkson and Rob Clarkson and anybody else that's passed away, is just sometimes you got to get off the beaten track. Just check out the world and not always be in such a hurry to go the direct route. Catch what I'm throwing? Enjoy the day. Bye for now.